Things tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Things tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. And it's squeezing we day and night, man. You can't get a bite, man. The two corners of your mouth, white, man. Your two lips like they want fight, man. I crying out for help. Anybody out there to hear me? Anybody out there to give a helping hand? Sometimes you regret you was born in these conditions, a tight situation. It tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. 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 Why can't I fake it? I can't take it. Because problems keep manifesting themselves every day. Because it's stopping my flow, blocking my door, nowhere to turn, nowhere to go. Working hard, but not earning. Sweating, but nothing is turning. What kind of fraudulent act is that? Only the bigger heads benefiting. Man, you know I would have licked them down flat. Them say some kind of poly tricks. Look how we always get the shitty end of the stick. They say better must come. So we go away upon the worse. Yeah? One time you had a little change in your purse, but nowadays, things get worse. Your belly looking big like it won't burst. And if you ever drop down dead from a little thirst, man, they might not send the hearse. Because things tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. It tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Why can't I fake it? I can't take it. Man, I feeling the pain. Man, I feeling the strain. Industries and manufacturers say the suffering. No money in making. Well, if no money in making, why we still working? Why we still working? Churches receiving large donation. Anybody to give a little contribution? Misconduct of the funds. Lying and stealing, drugs and alcohol. Poverty is sufferation, man, the system plan. It tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. 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 Want to see this new global crisis? How it got the leaders fighting for the slices. Putting the massive in classes. Got them wearing tax glasses. And whipping them with taxes. Want to see a new party. How the ministers get big and fatty, fatty. They say they're happy and they're hearty. But for we, they're in a party. Yeah? The PM say, pay your utility bills and don't bling bling. I know you can relate, because look how high they raise the water rate. Yeah? It tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Aye! 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 That's the inflations. It tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. Tight, man, things tight, tight, tight. And it's squeezing we day and night, man. You can't get a bite, man. The two corners of your mouth, white, man. Your two lips like the war, fight, man. Ashe, ashe, ashe.